Okay, that's good enough. Now pull that down. That's good. Not too much. Lower it. Yeah. Open your bucket. Yeah. Down. Yeah. Now pull that one back to you. The one that you're controlling, the right hand side. Just pull it back. Pull it. No, the whole. Kris, back. The joystick back. Now tilt your bucket. There you go. Now with the other hand, pull it back up. Now spin it and dump it here. That's it.
Harley! There's Harley!
Now spin back again to the hole, yeah? And take some from there.
Guys, Harley!
Lower your bucket a little more. No. Good job. Watch Harley, booby.
Hey, don't do all of this.
No, up, go up, up, open your bucket more, yeah. Now pull it forward to you. Not just the bucket, the whole arm. Pull the whole arm. No, but your bucket is closed. Go back again. Dump that right there. Open the, no. Open your bucket. Now lower that arm. No, up. Up more. Up. Now with the other one, close the bucket a little bit. And now pull that, that's it. And now pull that arm back, yeah. And up now, up with the other hand. Up with the,